Hi, I'm Kayo and welcome back to my channel. Today's kanji is 五. So let's get started. Meaning 5. Radical. These two red strokes. 2. Pronunciation. 訓読み. 5つ. 音読み 5 Stroke order 1 2 3 4 There are 3 tips for writing 5 beautifully. Tip 1. It's about these 3 horizontal strokes. The shortest stroke is this one, like a west line, and the longest stroke is this one, and the middle is this one. This is the main stroke, so it should be long enough. This is bad example. They are not so different, right? And there are 2 spaces here. They are the same, or the lower one can be a little bigger than this one. So not like this. I said this stroke is west line, so this is like legs, so please make it longer so it will be a good figure. Okay. Tip 2. This tip is about these 2 vertical lines. Strictly they are not vertical, a little bit tilted, so I will explain how much tilted. This stroke starts at the middle of this stroke and end trisection position of these strokes. This stroke also ends the another trisection position. So not like this, or not like this. This is exactly vertical, okay? And you may find another sample like this. These are parallel. Yeah, this is also correct. You can choose whichever you like. I like this style because it's looks stable, but both is correct. Okay, next, tip 3. This tip is about the stroke movement. Did you remember the tips for character 3? This tip is exactly the same as that. So first stroke is curved upward, and second stroke is upward, up to the right, and the last stroke is curved downward. Okay? Yeah, so yeah, this is flat, so that's okay, but this is the better, right? Please let me add something here. I explained this stroke separately, horizontal line and vertical line, but it is one stroke. Be careful. Alright, so let's write again as a review. Alright, so next is example words. Number 1. 五つ五つ五つ means 5. So, ここは五つ星のレストランです。ここは五つ星のレストランです。星 or 星 means star. So, this is a 5-star restaurant. ここは五つ星のレストランです。If you want to say, I want to go to the 5-star restaurant, you can say, 五つ星のレストランに行きたいです。行く means go, and たい or したい means want to. So, 行きたい means want to go. 五つ星のレストランに行きたいです。Right? Number 2. 5分5分分 means minute. So 5分 means 5 minutes. あと5分しかありません。あと5分しかありません。It means only 5 minutes left. あと5分しかありません。Right? 5 minutes is very short time, so we use a negative sentence. しかありません。Right? If it's 1 hour instead of 5 minutes, we can say あと1時間あります。Right? It's a positive sentence. Yeah. Alright, number 3. 5枚5枚枚 is a unit for counting thin and flat objects, such as papers, boards, and plates, and so on. So, カードを5枚ずつ配ってください。カードを5枚ずつ配ってください。It means, please deal 5 cards each player. 配って配る means deal. So, 配ってください means please deal. 配る also means deliver, give out, distribute. But in this case, it's a plain card, so deal. Right? カードを5枚配ってください。Alright, so that's all for today. See you next video.